Next up is this set of surf ears from a company called Surf Ears. Let sound in, keep water out. So these are basically surfing earplugs. What have we got on the side? Surf ear plugs protects your ears without affecting hearing or balance. 2 sizes of the clips, 4 sizes of the squidgy bits. Optional leash so you don't lose them. I'd recommend that and a squidgy case. So let's get it open and see what's in there. Oh, and a little carabiner as well. These retail about $45. They're not cheap. I think someplace $50, but you can get them for $40. Maybe you can get it some places cheaper. Is it going to slide off? Let's have a little look. Yes, it does slide off. And attaches inside. Oh, there we go. We've got some instructions in here. Well, let's open here where it says open here. And what have we got? Got the wings, as they call them. Got a large and a small, depending on your ear size. We've got the gels, so that's to go the inserts into your ear. Got a leash and a case, so they insert like that. I've read good reviews of these brands, so despite being $45, I was prepared to pay for them. I wish they were a bit cheaper. I've also seen these in a junior size as well, so for kids. So let's get this open. There's a little magnet here and here, which is quite satisfying. There's little holes as well to let the drainage holes, basically. I gather from reading some other reviews, you can get a lot of sand in here. It's quite easy for sand to get captured on the beach. Well, let's get it open and see what we get. So there's the case. It's very satisfying. That'll do you well. So these are the surf ears as well. I mean, you know, $45 is a lot of money. So let's get this undone. Tight elastic band. I don't want to break anything. Let's get a wider shot. So yeah, it's not elastic band, it's actually part of the device, so good thing I didn't force it. So it's kind of like a silicone elastic band, and then we've got, it sort of fades in, if you can kind of see, sort of fades in from this transparent colour, slightly squarer to a rounder kind of grey colour, which is slightly odd, but it's the design. And then we've got the surf ears. Okay, so here they are. They're all quite wiggly. I mean, that's what you want. Silicone based. And then you've got the little inserts here. So one's left and one's right. I can't remember which one's which. There we go. We've got L for left and R for right. So you can keep them the right way around. And then on a little elastic leash band, we've got the different sizes as well. So I'll have to sort of try those out. I've got to say, for $45, I feel they're a little expensive, but there's nothing else like this on the market, so, or that I found, and these do come highly recommended. So I bit the bullet, and hopefully they'll do the job. But yeah, that's what you get, $45 for lots of silicone and a little bit of paper. Love the design, love the colours. I hope they do what they're supposed to do and keep the water out of your ears and give you good hearing as well, so you can be aware of your environment. So I'm going to give these a 7 out of 10, maybe a 7.5 out of 10. I'm sure once I've tested them that'll go up, but based on $45 for some rubber and some silicone and some jelly bits, I think it's still pretty expensive. I think 30 quid would be a fair value, but they've got a captured market, so well done Surf Ears.